So I have been using the IG investing apps for over 6 weeks now, and this is my experience with them. So there's actually two versions of the app that do very similar things, but they are designed very differently. One I would say is designed for long-term investors, those who seek to invest into stocks long-term and stuff like ETFs. And the other is designed more for trading, which is medium to short term. Now, both of these apps, even though they're designed differently, do actually change the same portfolio. So in this video, we're going to be looking at how I've been getting along. So this is the IG Invest account. Now, if you're used to most UK stockbrokers that have an app, this will be the most feel at home for you because it looks and feels and operates just like those, but of course with its own IG flavor. Now, of course, you get the graph, you get the price of the equities. For example, Micron here I'm just showing, which is a stock, of course. You can, of course, see the change in performance over the past year, past 6 months, 1 month. You'll all be very familiar with this. Now, within the IG Invest account, you can see all of your accounts that you have with IG. For example, I have a stocks and shares ISA, and I also have a general investment account here. You can also open other accounts, but I'm not going to be talking about that in this video. Now, you may notice that compared to other apps, the percentage difference over here, as you can see, the percentage gain or loss is different because it only takes into account open trades. As you can see within my ISA, I have no open trades. It says that I'm up by 0%, which would suggest that I've made nothing this year. However, that's not the entire truth because I only deposited £10,000 into this stocks and shares ISA. The rest is gain. And that is because I am actually sitting on cash. As you can see, you can earn 3.75% as an annual equivalent rate interest on cash. However, personally, I have disabled earning this interest because of personal reasons. But if you wanted to, you can just leave it on. The general investment account is very similar too. As you can see, I do have an open position here and it is down by 15 pence or 0.05 pence. You can see my open positions right here. Now, this is the fund that I've invested into, ticker code ISUS. This is the iShares MSCI USA Islamic Fund. You can see the movement of the share price over, certain periods. It has been doing really well, but remember, when you're investing, your capital is at risk anyway, and the value of your portfolio could go up or down. Important stats about this fund can be found here. For example, the fund size, the dividend yield, and a few other things such as the currency. Now, unlike most other providers, it will tell you what type of dividends it has here. So there's actually more information that you can see for yourself. You can see what the fund invests into, the different sectors that these funds fall under, and the country allocation. For example, this fund is, of course, very heavily weighted towards the USA. Right now, the markets are closed, but if I wanted to buy some more, I can just press invest over here and buy it just like your other favorite stockbrokers. Now, not too long ago, I did show you my portfolio and the value back then was £31,588. So I am up by a few £100s. Yes, currently I'm keeping a lot of cash, but that is an active decision from me. And as you can see, my portfolio is still growing because I've been utilizing what IG is really good at, and that is buying and selling funds. Now, if you would like to get started investing with IG, you can just follow the link in the description box down below and that will give you a bonus. Remember, when you're investing, your capital is at risk and the value of your portfolio could go down as well as up. Now, like I alluded to before, IG is a great platform for buying and selling shares. Now, personally, I do like the IG Invest account, but I prefer the IG trading account. Now, like I said, there are two versions of the app. One is the IG Invest account that I just showed you, but the other is the IG trading account. Now, this, in my opinion, is very different because it's focused on actually just trading. Whether you want to do it long term, short term, or even medium term, you can do that. You can find your favorite stocks. Now, when you go into a stock, it looks very different from the IG Invest account. These graphs are more for advanced users, although, beginners can look at them. This is a candlestick graph, which shows you the price movement of the stocks in a bit more of detail. Now, this is the market detail tab, but this is the most important one. This is the trade tab. Here, you can actually buy and sell your favorite shares. you can go at quote, which is essentially a market order. Now this only of course works when the markets are open. You can do an on exchange, for example. Let's say this is Marks and Spencer's and I want to buy one share at a price of 340 pence. So if the markets were open right now, I can make this open-ended, so it will actually last forever. It will try to find me a price of 340 pence. Of course, there are no guarantees that price would ever be, met, but it's not too far from the current price, so chances are it could be eventually. Now, of course, you can change the amount of shares that you want. Whatever you want, you can just put in, for example, 2 shares, and then you can really fine-tune the price that you want. For example, here with Marks and Spencer's, this is 340.08 pence. You can also set alerts for your stocks, and you can look at news articles, market data. There's so many features here that are really advanced. Now, personally, all I do is go into trade and just buy my favorite investments at different prices. Now, you are free to buy and sell as you wish. You can hold for as long as you want to. You can still use these features and fine-tune the price that you are willing to pay. Again, there are no guarantees that if you go under the current market price that you are going to be fulfilled or executed at that price. Now, this is the Stocks and Shares ISA here, but I can change this to the General Investment Account. Now, the General Investment Account here is called the Share Dealing Account, and the ISA is the Stocks and Shares ISA. There are 2 main tabs. One is orders, so any pending orders will be put in here, and then positions are put here. You can see your trailing profit and loss or your running profit and loss here. Currently, mine is only negative 15 pence, so it won't actually show up as negative £1. You can see the value of your positions at the top, and you can see your available amount, so that's your spare cash, and you can see your total account value. Because things change really quickly and IG has a lot of experience with trading, the app does refresh really quickly, and it's really easy, in my opinion, to specify the price you want to buy and sell at. 2 different apps that do very different things but with the same portfolio, so you have a lot of choice with IG investing. So make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.